Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's try the really cool looking record from Clone Force. So here's my full pencil sketch sped up, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this really cool looking record character. So to begin, we're going to draw in the overall shape of the helmet first, and which is going to be pretty simple. We'll just draw this one line across first. That's going to be right over the eyes. And then from here, we'll just go up and then just kind of round it out. That's going to give us the top of the head. Okay, once we have this, now we can come out and draw in the sides. So this one's going to go out a little bit more. And then on the bottom, just round it out. That'll give us the helmet shape. Okay, so once we have this, let's go ahead and add in the features. So for the eyes right here, just come to the center. Just add two little slants like this, and this is going to be one right here, the visor area. So just go out and then slant up again. And then now for the mouth area, which is really cool looking, just come down from the center right here, make a little point, just go all the way down, nice and wide. Let's go ahead and fill in some of the details. Right on the side here, we'll just go up and then just go out. Alright, so let's draw in those cool looking teeth drawings that they have on the mouth area right here. So we're just gonna draw in two lines and then just add one little angle. And then on each side, just draw one more. You can kind of vary it too. I know there's a lot more detail, but we're just gonna simplify things. Okay, so three, and then one more on the bottom right here. This one's gonna curve this way, and then just add a little zigzag and just close it off. Okay, so come in, zigzag, go down, and let me shade this in real quick because this is a really cool detail on the mouth area right here. Makes it look nice and mean. So this part's gonna be all dark. Alright, and then even for the eyes, let me shade this in real quick. It's just so cool looking with the dark shades. The visor area. Okay, so I'm just leaving some highlight. Alright, nice and mean. Alright, so now let's finish up the details on the top. So right here, I'm just gonna go up on the side. Come here. Just draw two lines. Just go out. And then come back down. And let's see, it's got some, just a little bit more detail right here. I'm just gonna draw two bars. And then on the bottom here, I'm just gonna add a line because I don't want to draw too many small details. Alright, so that's a really cool looking helmet. So now let's move on to the body. So for the chest area, just come out right here. We'll just curve down and then just kind of close it off going up. Now let's continue down right here. This is going to be the waist, come across, And then on the bottom right here, we'll just slant down. This is going to be the hip area, and then close off the bottom. Alright, so that's the torso, and now let's join the arms. I'm going to join this one first. So here's the shoulder pads coming out, and then just kind of come back in to the armpit area. And we can draw the same thing on the other side, so let's go ahead and draw this first. But this one's got a different hand position. Alright, so now we're going to continue down the biceps. Bracket, close it off, and then for the lower arm, again, same thing here, just kind of close it off, maybe a little bit flatter this way. Okay, and then now for the hands, the fist, hook for the thumb, back of the hand or the fist, come down, go back up, and one little line here for the other fingers. Okay, so now let's draw on the other side, and this one's gonna be slightly different. It's gonna be holding a fist up. So I'm gonna just come out to the corner right here, just add like a little curve, close it off, almost like a line, a slight curve, and then now I'm just gonna go around, come down. So these are gonna be his other fingers. Adding a couple of lines here to divide up the fingers. So that's gonna be the fist. So on the bottom right here, just one curve, that's gonna be the forearm. I know it's a little bit tricky because we're seeing it at in a perspective. And then now to finish off the bicep right here, we'll just curve and just connect that. Alright, so hopefully that wasn't too bad. And now let's finish up some details right here in the armor. So these are simple, just two lines, and then let's see. Right on the chest area, right in the middle, just slant in, and then come back down. Alright, so now let's draw on the legs. So I'm gonna start up here, curve. On the inside, a little bit shorter, and then we'll just close that off. And then now for the lower leg, come down, we'll draw on the inside first. Outside here, stop a little short. Now I'm gonna go one big curve all the way around. This one's gonna go out, and then we'll just close that off. Okay, so right here inside, stop a little short, draw one big curve going out. And we can add in one little section here just for some details for the shoe. Alright, and if you want to add in some details here, you can add in just a little bit more armor. Since we have already drawn in the shape, these are really easy to draw, and it does add a lot of detail to the drawing. Makes it look a little bit more complicated. Okay, two lines, and maybe in the center right here as well. And that is it for this really cool looking record. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please check out my other videos, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.